All right, hello everyone. So we are going to be adding and subtracting multiples of 10. So multiples of 10, think about when you have multiple means more than. So more than one. So think about counting by tens. So when we count by tens, you'll have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So all those numbers that we just said, those are multiples of 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a number and we're going to add one of the numbers we just said to that original number. So that is what I mean by adding multiples of 10. So what I want to do is I'm going to reset our board and we're going to get started. Okay, so let's get these pushed to the side and I'm going to give you our first equation and we're going to just do something hopefully kind of simple, not too difficult to get us started. So let's start with the number 48. So if we have 48, okay, and we're going to add a multiple of 10. So we're not going to add just 10 this time. We're going to add multiples, more than one 10. So let's do 30, okay, because 30 was one of those numbers that we said when we count by 10. So we're going to start out with 48, and then we're going to add 30, okay? So let's do this. We're going to, here's 10. So remember, we're visualizing first. What does 48 look like? And hopefully we think, 48, that 40 is 4 tens. So there's my 4 tens. And then we have that 8, 48. So now I need 8 ones, okay? So here is my 48, right? So if you remember, here's 10, 20, 30, 40, and then we have the 8. This makes me a total of 48. Okay, so now we want to add in multiples of 10. And remember, we had the number 30. So I'm going to rewrite that so you can see it a little bit better. So there we go. We want to add 30. So again, let's visualize. What does 30 look like? Okay, and if you think about it, 30 is 10, 20, 30. It is another 3 groups of 10. Okay, so how you put this together in your head is up to you. Okay, some people look at all the tens, and that's fine. So we could look at all the tens. So we had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then the 8. That is one way. Some people look at this total first amount, 48, and then jump 10. So we could do that as well. 48, 58, 68, 78. Any of those methods are good. So we can count either way. So we left off with 40, and then we could add, here's 50, 60, 70, and then we got to come back up here to get the 8 and have 78. That is one way to do it, okay? Another way to count it is to have 48 and then do jumps of 10. This would be 58, 68, 78. So however you want to put it together, that works, okay? So that is adding multiples of 10, okay? So let's say we want to start and we want to do something different and we want to subtract, okay? So now I'm going to erase. I want to clear all of that, okay? And this time we're going to build a multiple. We're not going to build a multiple. We're just going to build a big number. So let's do, no, let's go ahead. And let's say that's 52. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 2. All right, so we're going to do 52. 50, 52. There we go. And this time we're going to take away 30 or 20. We'll do 30. That's what I said first. All right. So 52, and remember we're taking away multiples of 10, more than one 10. So if this is our 52, and to show you 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then, 50, and then down here, my hand is getting faster than my mouth, is 52. Okay, we want to visualize taking away 3 groups of 10, because 3 groups of 10 make 30. So right now we have 5 groups of 10. To take 3 groups of 10 away, what would we have? Did you get it in your mind? Well, let's see if you're right. So if I physically take out the 30, 10, 20, 30, I now see that what I have left is this right here. So now I have 10, 20, 22. Okay, that is one way to solve it. There's multiple ways to solve. How you solve it is totally up to you. Okay, so let's say that's not how I had it in my head. That's okay too. Okay, so we have 52. We want to take away 30. We can do jumps back. Okay, so if we have 52 and we take one group of 10 away, we're now at 42. That's one jump. Then 32, 2 jumps, and then 22. That's 3 jumps. So we can do jumps like that. And we would still see our answer over here to the side of 22. Now, how you solve it, again, is up to you. But this time I want you to visualize in your head. You have the Reck and Rec, and visualize taking away groups of 10. Okay? So that is your assignment, and you have access to this bead rack to help you.